Welcome to the most famous map nowadays. This is Google Maps. As you see, we are in Europe. Here we have the United Kingdom. It is in the northwest part of Europe. So I want to introduce some important features about Google Maps. Let's start with some buttons. Here we have the location button. It shows you where you are. As you see, I'm around there. Alright, there we have the zoom in and zoom out button. So I can go a little bit away or zoom in. So let's go back to the United Kingdom because I want to show you a little bit more. So here we have the United Kingdom. Look, in the map we can see white areas which are flat and populated and green areas which are mountains and less people live there. Also, we can see in yellow roads and streets, and in big letters we have the main cities. In capital letters we have the regions of the United Kingdom. You see England, Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland as well. So, of course, in blue you have rivers and the sea. Here, I want to show you the street view function. So, I want to show you a city with the street view function. So, let's go to Manchester. If you see, we are just arrived in the Manchester City Council. So, the mayor of Manchester rules from here. As you see, it's a 360 degrees view, which is quite impressive. Alright, if you see here, this indicates the cardinal points. So, where is north? Is that north? No, north, the red one, has to be here, in the north position. So let's look for north. As you see, north is in this direction, in this building. Alright, so we saw the importance of the cardinal points. And as you see here, shows the streets in blue that you can go with the Google Maps. Alright, that's all here. So let's go back to the map. So here in Manchester, let's zoom in. You see in yellow the roads, in white the streets, and in a moment we are going to see some symbols. For example, we can see some museums such as this one. Let's zoom in. As you see, a picture of the place appears. Also, we have here public transport stations and many other symbols like hotels. And if we go a little bit closer, we also have places to eat. For example, this barbecue. Alright, so let's pick one of these main symbols. For example, this library. If we click on it, here it will appear information about the place. If we know that we want to look for that place, you just have to click and type there the name of the place. So in this case, it's the library. So we are there. As you see, you have here some basic information such as the phone or the timetable of the place. Also, in what time is crowded and when there is less people. So here you also have some pictures and even reviews. For example, study room are great. You can also enter the building with the function of 360 degrees. Here you have some pictures of the inside and also of the outside. So as you see, we can even see a map of Manchester here in the library. It is pretty impressive and modern. Alright, so let's go back to the basic information about the library. So, if we want to go to this library, we can click in the directions button. So imagine we are in the Council Square. So we can type Council Manchester and it should appear here. You see, Manchester Council, which is quite close. As you see, the distance is in feet. We can arrange to see it in meters or kilometers. So here it shows the time and the distance, 28 meters. Okay, let's pick farthest place. For example, imagine we are going from the Harman Square. So we type Harman Square and press enter. So here it shows you in a moment how you can go from the Harman Square to the Manchester Central Library. Also, look these symbols here because you can choose the route for a car, for a pedestrian, or for a bike. And even you can select the public transport feature. In this case, the best route is by walk because the place is very close. But in other occasions, it can show you different routes. For example, for a car, the route can be different. You see? And it also shows you the traffic. It's pretty amazing. So this is all from me. Keep practicing with this great map which has many information and have fun while visiting great cities, even from your own home. So hope you like it. See you soon.